But yeah, we out here for Media Day, 2021, 2022 season. You see all the great guys out here, great players, great photographers, great everybody. Everybody helping us get through each station. We just having a fun day today.
Emmanuel.
It's RJ Barrett, the superstar.
It's Emmanuel quickly. He has a different hairstyle every day. That's what you do when you got money. Big money.
Would you go third in the draft?
Quick is outside. Quick's a different place every day. Quick got money. He's on private jets and stuff. Yeah, man.
Is this dude serious right now?
Quick came up with Jay-Z and me.
No. He be with Drake every day in the summer.
He with me and Jay-Z. It's okay. It happens. Also,
I'm not getting your towels and I'm not bringing your loot.
This to be on the record. Quick is scared to go bowling with me. I've been asking him.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Him and Obi are scared. That's okay. And I'm better than Quick at Uno. That's a fact.
No.
That's HD.
This is 4K.
4K. That's 4K too?
Ooh. Oh.
That's
Good. You bored? You bored over there?
Oh, no, so you trying to get us to go out of our character, though, you know what I mean? She on that, though.
Your character?
Oh my God. That's tough. That is tough. That's hard. Hold on, nah, this is my side.
Come on, bro. This is my
Nah,
side.
bro,
too.
I got my tattoos on this side. Oh my.
You see
I
this
got my
dude?
tats on this side. What's on this side that you need to show?
I just got one dimple on this side. How about this?
He want to see
I
you
don't got
dance.
one. I just, man. You gonna do it with me?
No, I
You
want
gonna do
you
the
dance, though.
Where RJ at? I need RJ. Hey, Julius. Huh? Gonna be a good They could do a TikTok with you.
Yes, sir. I want to see this. Yeah, come on over here.
Huh?
Come on, quick.
Yeah, hit that dance, quick.
Hey, do the fish pole really then.
We do
Fish
that one?
pole really then. No.
Did that fire? Nice. I like that look. Good.
This guy famous.
That boy looking smooth.